Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we'll be presenting on the PPT 2. So here our group member consists of Ali Sarah, anak perempuan Tanat, Muhammad Irfan Haikal bin Rizan, and me myself Muhammad Akil bin Syed Nudin. So in this report, Ali have requested our team to develop a simple app for him. He also needs to use display in portrait and landscape orientation. As a developer, I follow Ali's requirement and develop the app for him. So here is how it will be seen in the portrait and the landscape mode. So moving on to the next sign in page. Here is the coding, and here's a little bit of the explanation of what actually happening in the coding. So in this coding, I have initialized the UI elements for the edit text email, edit text password, the button sign in and sign up. In button sign in and sign up, we use button to set it enable to be false at first, so the user can be clicking on the sign in without entering anything in the form. And after that, we get the input from the user email and password and convert into string and trim them for checking purpose. So after that, set the email as lbc@yahoo.com and the password as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then set a toast message for the user to if they enter the incorrect email or password. So there will be a toast message that pop up under there saying the incorrect or email password. If the password and email is correct, it will go out, move on to the next page.
Okay, and now I will explain about this info page. This is our info page. This is the first page. There we will need to enter our information like first full name, telephone number, and the title. And then the second page, we have the dialogue where we are you sure to share the information and yes, no, and yes. And this is the coding. Okay, now with this coding, I set the screen navigation start by the code, screen title equals control by id, and screen navigation end by the code, screen title dot set adapter to end. After that, initialize UI element for ET full name, ET full, TXT full name, TXT full, and ET and save. Then get data from input and convert to string. For display purpose, by using the code string. Is the where the input convert to string for display purpose. And then string full name is the string. After that, perform check if field is empty. If the fields are empty, display message as please enter your full name. Or if it's empty, display message are you sure? Then set button yes and send to display push, and set button no for nothing change. Lastly, we just show what is to show a dialog. The show I dialog on the button click. Connect with this display page. This display page after we set the button to yes. This is our coding. Okay, now for the coding explanation. In this coding, I initialize UI element for TV full name, TV phone, TV data, retail home. After that, get the data from intent by using the code string full name equal intent dot get string extra double quote full name. And set data to set view by using the code TV full name dot set text full name. Then functional develop button for user to click to go back to home page by the code retain home dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener and set activity new intent play activity dot if my activity dot class. That's all from me.
Step 1. This is the sign-in page. User have to enter email abc@yahoo.com and password 123456 to sign in the page. Step 2. After enter the email and password, click on sign in button to go to the next page. Step 3. Then it will go to save info page. User have to enter their full name, phone number, and title. Step 4. After that, click on Save button and a message box will appear for user to confirm by clicking on Yes. Step 5. After user click on Yes, it will go to display page. It will display user information. So, in conclusion, we have successfully developed an application named Simple as per the specification outlined in the initial query. This application incorporates essential functionalities such as portrait and landscape rotation as requested. In the application, there are 3 pages for the app. The first page is sign-in page, which enables the user to sign in to the page by entering the email and password. To sign in to the page, user has to enter in the email by abc@yahoo.com and the password 123456 because it has been set for the app based on the question requested. If user inputs the wrong email and password, a message will appear incorrect email and password for the user. Besides that, the second page, Save Info page. In this page, user has to enter their full name, phone number, and title. For the title field, user has to choose the title which is in J1 Tuan Dato Sri Tan Sri. If the user did not fill in the fields, it will show an invalid message and user must fill in all the fields. After clicking on the Save button, there will be a message box pop up for user to confirm to save or not. Click on Yes to go to the display page. If users click on No, the page will remain the same. Lastly, display page to display user information that have been entering in the Save Info page. User full name, phone number, and title will display on this page. Additionally, the application name Simple is featuring in the action bar. Lastly, user can return to the sign-in page by clicking on the Home button, facilitating seamless navigation within the application. So that's all from us. Thank you.